Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to change the language on Reddit app. So if you also want to change the language on Reddit app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Reddit application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So in order to change the language, you'll have to go to settings. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At last, you'll be able to find the option for settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. Here you'll be able to find several options. Find the option for language. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see several languages over here. Tap on the language of your choice. Now right over here, you can see the language has been changed. So that is how you change the language on Reddit app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.